How to download TikTok video without save option. Now many of the times what happens is that if you want to save a certain video on TikTok, what you do is simply open up that video, then tap on the share icon from the bottom right, then simply look for the save option. But as you can see in this video also, we don't have the save option. In most videos we'll have it, but if you don't see it, then what you can actually do is you can use your phone's feature, which is a screen recording feature. So open up screen recording on your phone and you can only record the sound coming from the media and not from your microphone. And once you begin recording, you can simply play that video like this, and once you play the video, let the video to end till the very end, and once you've done that, you'll be able to stop the recording, and you can also crop that video if you want to. And this way you'll be able to download TikTok video without the save option. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.